It's Auntie Help, the pool lifeguard.
I'm just filling the pool. It'll be ready in no time.
Oh, that's a big pool to fill.
Well, it may take some time.
Here's Tommy Stop and Sophie Play. They were looking forward to a swim too.
We're ready to swim, swim, swim. Stop! There's not enough water in the pool yet.
Shouldn't be long now.
What do we do now? Wait, I suppose. Aww.
Aha!
Dada Go is taking a little break. Oh, you've dropped the ball, Dada Go. Here comes trouble.
Doggy, go!
No running, no diving, no dogs.
There goes that ball again. And there goes Doggy Go.
Doggy, go! You're breaking all the rules.
Back in the fun fair, Sammy Go, Sophie Play and Danny Play are playing in the Hall of Mirrors.
Danny, Sammy, where are you? Oh,
Sammy likes his funny reflection.
there you are. You're not Sammy Go.
That's just Sammy's reflection, Sophie. Back in the park, Mya is hiding too.
Where is Mya? Just where can she be? I see her. Oh, it's a nest. I thought it was you, Mya. There you are.
Meanwhile, back at the fun fair, Sophie Play is trying to win a prize.
OK, Sophie, so what you need to do is throw the hoop onto the hook like this.
Good luck, Sophie. You've done it.
Yay! I got it! I got it!
Well done, Sophie Play. Let's see what you've won.
Well done.
Thank you. If we use our imagination, I think you could even be as big as our house. Huh?
That's right, Sammy. You can do it.
Roar! Sammy Yard Monster. Not just any yard monster, Sammy. A giant yard monster. Roar!
Go get her, Sammy.
Oh no, giant monster Sammy. Don't get me. Mya be big monster. Me? It's been so long since I've been a giant monster. I hope I can remember how.
What is it?
I call it the shaker sizer. This plate vibrates your muscles all at once, so you can exercise without even moving.
Without moving, you say?
I'll show you. Mya, you can help. Just step onto the plate.
This one is nice and easy, Dada Go. You'll definitely like this.
All right. Here I go.
Careful of those controls, Dada Go.
Oh, no. Ah!
We have to stop it. What will we do?
Pass me your Frisbee, Mya.
Great shot, Mama Make.
Are you okay, Dada Go?
Fine. I just never realized working out was so much work. You know, I don't think I need all that expensive gear. I'll just stick to simple stuff to keep fit, like playing Frisbee in the park.
Playing outdoors is great exercise. As good as any machine.
And twice as much fun. Look at this, an enormous sand pit. It looks perfect for making sandcastles. Yay! Sandcastles!
Ooh, that sand looks like a lot of fun.
You'll have a giant castle built in no time.
Yay! This is the biggest sandcastle I've ever seen.
Oh, no!
It looks like Mya and her friends have built their sandcastle right in the middle of the long jump sand.
Look out!
Long jump, long jump. I love to do the long jump.
Oh no! Miss Coach doesn't see our sandcastle. Stop, Miss Coach! Stop!
Oh, come on, Miss Coach. Time for an extra long jump.
Oh, that was a close one.
Wow! Great jump, Miss Coach.
Oh, that was my longest jump ever.
Well done, Miss Coach. Maybe this isn't the best place for us to be playing.
Next up, it's the egg and spoon race.
Now, don't move, Egg. Stay.
And they're off. The egg and spoon race. Not for the faint-hearted. Billy Wynn races ahead, but...
No!
Oh, scrambled eggs! Billy Wynn has dropped his egg. Mya Go in the lead, but she seems to be going in the wrong direction.
Other way, Mya.
Sophie Play seems to be gaining ground, but poached egg! Tommy Stop has crossed the finish line.
And the winner is Tommy Stop!
Oh dear. It looks like Tommy Stop has forgotten to stop.
Tommy, stop!
Stop!
Me? I won. I won.
Oh, Billy Wynn has never not won before.
I ran the fastest. It's hard to balance an egg if you're running too fast.
It takes a lot of focus and a steady pace to win the egg and spoon race.
Wow.
And I just turned this to make it go even faster.
Look at it go!
In no time at all, the PaintBot 3000 covers the shed in a lovely shade of blue.
There we go. That worked perfectly.
The blue is very pretty.
Thank you, Mya Go. Now, let's load up the yellow paint for the door.
I'll do it.
And here we go.
Can it go any faster?
Of course it can. Where's the dial for that?
Yay!
Yay! Ah, the controls!
Oh no! Hey, my Dada's on this train. Dada!
Mya? What are you doing here?
I'm rescuing you.
Dada help to Mama help. We'll move the tree with these ropes. Over.
Got it. I'll get the fire engine ready. Over. Lucy, Mya, stand back!
Working together, the Help family moved the tree in no time. They're really showing that practice makes perfect.
All clear, Terry Drive. Carry on.
Bye, Dada. Good luck in your meeting.
Thanks, Mya. Thanks, helps.
I won this for making the world's biggest sandwich.
World's biggest sandwich?
One day, many, many years ago, I was really hungry, so I decided to make myself a sandwich. I'm famished. But the longer it took to make the sandwich, the hungrier I got. So the more ingredients I put in. I just kept going. The sandwich got bigger. It rose higher and higher. Pretty soon, it was as high up as the clouds. People came from miles to see, and because it was the biggest sandwich ever, they gave me a trophy. Thank you, thank you.
Careful, Mya. Don't go too fast.
This is so much fun. When we're up, we're down. And when we're up, we're down. Up, down, up, down. Wait, why are we both down?
Because the seesaw is broken. Oh, dear.